Hello everyone, my name is Eddie, and today I'm going to be showing you the epic way to listen to your MPD music. Now, this is a piece of software that I actually wrote myself. It's called SMP, and it stands for Simple MPD Player. And if we just start it up, it just looks kind of like a command prompt, really. And it's actually kind of cool. So, first of all, let's take a look at the help page. So if we press H, and then we press enter, because it's like a literal command prompt, it's going to show you the help page. So we have our welcome to the help page. Here's a list of the available commands. Plus, minus, spacebar, next, previous, search, list the song that's being played. So let's show you how this program works. So we can either do Control L and then enter, or C, and then we can clear the text. What we can do now is we can, let's say I want to resume the song that I'm playing right now. I can press space, then enter, and it'll resume playing the song. I'm not going to play much of it because I don't want to get copyrighted, but this is the song I'm playing right now. And let's say I want to fast forward. I can fast forward by the interval that I set. And as you can see, we fast forwarded by 10 seconds, which is the interval that I set it to, in the config file. And I can go backwards. And if we just see, it went backwards in the thingy. And if I press F twice, then as you can see, it went fast forwarded twice. Now I can also make the volume louder, so this works with the same logic. So if I do plus like 2 times, it's gonna up the volume by the interval that I set it 2 times. All right, and T to show the song, C to clear, space to unpause, minus to lower the volume, S to search and play. So if I do S Watsky, which is a song artist I like, we can listen to some Watsky. Or we could listen to some, there you go, we can listen to some of this. I can fast forward a bit, and there you go, we can listen to the song. And it's really nice, and it doesn't need end curses, doesn't need any of that. It's just a simple interface for MPC, which is something that you probably have if you use MPD. That's basically it. You don't even need SMP, CPP anymore. Honestly, just add your songs and you can just use the SMP console. Or better yet, just set actual keybinds. Actual keybinds in your window manager for it. But if you use something like GNOME or KDE Plasma and you can't really set keybinds, or you have to use like an external clusterfuck program that's going to listen to your keystrokes using a keyboard hook or whatever, then this is a nice minimalist option, I suppose. The GitHub link will be down below. Now, I'm still currently developing this program, so a lot of features are still missing, but they will be added through, added with time. And if you open up the source code, which is actually kind of horrible, because I still haven't figured out a few things. As you can see, we only have a few files. We have an smp.c and a config.c. So if we just bring both of those up right now, both are about less than 100 lines of code. Together, they make up less than 200. Which is pretty minimal if you ask me, and everything that you want to do can be configured in the .config file like it's a suckless utility. I designed it like that on purpose. I could have made it all static, but I decided to not do that. So there you go. We have your up interval, your down interval, your seek forward interval, seek back interval, your keybinds. And all of this you can change and rebind to whatever you want. You can even change the prompt. to say whatever you want, and you can change all of these. Now, in the future, I'm going to move all of these functions away so they don't bother the new user who's just configuring it. But for now, it's pretty nice. I use it a decent amount. All you need to do to install it is run the install script, and that's it. So, I've been Eddie. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.